Hi, how you doing? Had loads and loads of emails and messages about this one, so we're finally going to get around to doing it. What we're going to do is we're going to lollipop some wings. So there's a chicken wing, we're going to lollipop it like that. I'm going to hand you over to Chef June now, because he's much better at it than I am.
Okay, this is the chicken wings. First, try to check where's the joint and cut. Separate this one. Now from the tip of the joint, slice it. And then still there's a veil in that. So now what you will do next, push till to the top, make it round like a real lollipop, and that's it.
Okay, so I've got some wheat flour there. You can use a combination of wheat flour and corn starch if you want. We're going to heavily season it, and there's probably too much here. There's probably way too much for what we need. So a little mix. We've got some seasoned flour. Now I can move on dipping and coating. Okay, so our breadcrumbs there, I've got a nice fine breadcrumb. You could use panko, which is a bit kind of crispier if you want. I've got like 4 eggs there, probably again too much, and the flour, seasoned flour, which I just done with salt and pepper. You could add some chili in there or some turmeric for some colour, entirely up to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the lollipops and we're going to go flour. So we're flouring that one. And then we're going to go into the egg. And then I'm going to double dip. So we're going to go flour again. Then we're going to go back into the egg. And then we're going to go into the breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to do this one here, and then I'll proceed and do all the others, and then we'll be ready for the cooker. So there you go. Okay, so I've got a pan here with some oil in. I've got like, 3 or 4 centimeters. I'm using a sunflower oil. You want to use something like that, like a corn oil or something. That's half of them. They're the big ones, and the smaller ones are on their way. Then what we're going to do is get our oil hot, but not crazy hot, and then we're going to drop them in. Back in a second while that heats up. Okay, so our oil is heated up. Now, like I say, it's not crazy hot at all. You're about to see that, and it's on low. I've got it on low. So let's check this out. Like that. That's where you want it. Otherwise, what's going to happen is the breadcrumbs are going to just go black, or the chicken inside is not going to be cooked. So don't crowd the pan. Let's do these in batches, small batches. It's probably going to be about 6 or 7 minutes. I mean, these are really small, remember. Okay, so there you go. They've been going like 6 or 7 minutes. They've got a lovely colour on them, and you have noticed they're cooking really slowly. Let's move on. I'm going to get them onto some paper towel or kitchen paper, whatever you call that, and we can do the next batches. I'll see you when they're all done. Okay, and there you go. What we've done, we just put a little bit of silver or aluminium foil on there, just so you can hold it, bite away. Dip that in some mayo, in some chili sauce, in some ketchup. Yeah, really easy. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.